Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by acting fast. Check that HDMI is fully seated, then swap ports or cable to rule out a bad lead. Once done, power cycle both the TV and the source, unplug for 30 seconds and reconnect to clear temporary handshake errors. Make sure you manually select the TV input and turn off any casting or screen mirroring on your phone, tablet, or box. This prevents accidental duplicate streams while we proceed to deeper fixes. Next, change display parameters to remove mismatches. Set the TV to its native resolution or to 1080p and adjust aspect ratio. 16:9 is common. While you do that, update the TV firmware and the source device software. Outdated software often breaks HDMI handshakes. If the problem persists, test another HDMI cable and port and force the source to output a specific resolution. This isolates whether the duplicate image comes from a bad handshake or a settings conflict. To finish, use the TV's display settings reset first, then only perform a factory reset if necessary, backup preferences or photograph menu settings before you wipe them. Once reset, reconfigure inputs and test one source at a time to confirm the issue is resolved. If it still shows double screen, the key troubleshooting tip: try a different source device. If another device displays correctly, the original source likely has a duplicated output setting or hardware fault. Note those details for support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.